Hi guys. So the last time we talked, I gave you a little preview of the room and I showed you the before. So you saw that my brother was living here and it was a mess and it was completely different than what it looks right now. So I dedicated an entire day to renovating the entire space. Granted, it's very, very tiny, but there's a lot to do to really make it look different than what it was. And I'm finally ready to show you guys what it looks like. So here we go. So when you walk in, this is the overview. Okay. This is Dina's bed and that's my bed. And then here we have the mirrors and our little shelving unit and some boxes and bins, and I'll go into everything. So you walk in, here's the door, and here are our calendars and stuff. Dina's and mine, once again, I didn't really write anything on mine, but I should probably do that. So as you go over here, we just have perfume, pencils, and pens. I got this from Bed Bath & Beyond this past summer. And we just have our hair products, clothes, like our track clothes, my little like bath stuff, textbooks. This is my gel nail polish light cure, but I ran out of all of my nail polishes, which is weird. And jewelry, you don't have too much. We have much more jewelry, but it's in the closet. By having a shelving unit like this one, we're able to really hold a lot of our makeup and beauty, as well as this little knickknacks in an organized way that still looks pretty. So that's what we did here, just our towels. Got this for my birthday one year. Makeup, once again, my New Yorker magazines, Dina's magazines over here. Some snacks, I have some snacks over there. So over here, as you can see, I have some mirrors, which is really important when you have a small room to really expand the space, because honestly guys, this is like the size of a dorm, I would say. So it's really important that you really make it look bigger. You have to work with what you have. So if you live in a small apartment, you live in a small room, get lots and lots of mirrors. I'm gonna hang one up here to really expand the space even more so. I'm thinking of putting that one over there, up there. So I'll let you know, give an updated room tour if I was to do that. Once again, really important to have lots of mirrors to really make the space look a lot bigger than what it really is. So over here is my bookshelf. My dad had made this or bought it, and he gave me these, which is perfect so I can hang up my Michelle and Barack Obama books. And I really love this. I feel like I'm a big lover of books, and having a place to hold them and also like waking up to my books is something that's really awesome. So I really love that, and I think I might include that in my new apartment that I'm moving into hopefully this summer. And I will give an updated room tour for that room when I'm all moved in. So actually, another thing about it, I'm gonna have a lot of videos in my new place, so it's gonna be really exciting. So over here, I just have my yoga mat, which you guys have seen in my workouts, little trash can, my lamp. This box over here, I keep a ton of knickknacks in it. It's really helpful and holds a lot. We have this carpet that I got from Target, I believe. So here is Dina's bed. So she's a big lover of pink and gray. That's like her color scheme, pink, gray, and white. So this like embodies it pretty perfectly. The pillows are from Bed Bath & Beyond, as well as the sheets. And I'm pretty sure this is from Target. For my bedding, I got it as well from Bed Bath & Beyond. Got these pillows from Bed Bath & Beyond, and this the decorative pillows, as well as my normal pillows. This little throw, it's really soft. So these curtains were also from Bed Bath & Beyond, and they're really cute. I love the color blue. Like, I really think this bedding and everything here really fits my vibe. Here is the closet. Just have a couple bags over here. It's really messy. This is the jewelry I'm talking about, but it's pretty messy despite trying to have it as neat as possible, because it's a small space and we have a lot of clothes, and no offense, but I'm the neater sister and Dina's more relaxed and not as neat. I'm almost anal about things, which I feel bad because we're so different and we're living together. And I mean, we've always lived together, but I think going to college and really growing into our own people and like living in our own spaces, we truly became ourselves, and coming back home and having to adapt once again to living with somebody that's so different from you can be hard. So I'm trying to not be super hard on her. But yeah, things get messy from time to time, but we live and we go. So yeah. So guys, that is my room tour. Once again, really tiny, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.